Hey guys, so I've decided to start trying to do a bit more on YouTube as I've decided to finish up work and stay home as we were in the hairdressing industry. Our boss was really good with it all. She kind of just let us choose for ourselves whether we wanted to continue to work or stay home, and just with everything going on at the moment I felt best to stay home. So I've got my kid home from school. We were doing a little bit of homeschooling and that. He's just in his room at the moment having some iPad time, which is great. Gives me a break. Collected all the stuff to do more of like a me time for sanity, as my partner's home at the moment too, so being stuck in a house together all the time, besides obviously doing groceries and stuff, we would probably like kill each other. So this is my sanity place at the moment that I've set up. It was actually really cheap. It was just everything from Kmart, and then they had like these really cool, they're like light strips, and you can like adjust them and change the color and the brightness and everything. So it was really handy. Everything I think was under like $150 like for the lot. So, and I got like some little shelves and that to put all my stuff in, and some like little fake plants because I like them. But yeah, so this is like my little space and my time, and he's in the room at the moment playing his PlayStation and Fortnite and whatever else. So it's really good just to get your own shit done, honestly. I've been wanting to do a video for a while of my hair extensions, because I'm always asked like when I go out where they're from, how do you put them in. Some people have actually asked me if like it's natural, and I'm like, well, I wish it was natural, but it really isn't. So I've taken my hair out just so you can see, of like a wet bun, because I washed my hair last night. I literally just brush it, twist it, and put it in a bun and get it. So, and I've just been letting it grow out. It is getting a lot thicker, but it's definitely lengthwise. It's taking a really long time. That's why I went back to brown, because blonde was damaging my hair and I lost so much length when I was blonde. My hair just hates being bleached, so, which is a bummer because I'm naturally blonde, but yeah, it honestly just hates bleach. These are a 22 inch, so I haven't actually cut them yet. I'm not sure if I will, because majority of the time if I wear my hair extensions I wear them quite curly, so I want to keep that extra bit of length in there for when you curl it up, because it goes shorter. So I'll just show you one side. So I've worn these a few times now. They're just my clip-ins. It's all natural hair as well, which is really nice. I haven't washed these since the last time I wore them, which is really naughty, but so they still have quite a bit of like their little wave in there and the curl, so they're not looking as thick as what they normally would. So this is my hair, just showing like quick before and after. So I'm just going to straighten my hair off first, probably put them in. I might even straighten them just to see, because I haven't worn them straight before. I really want to see how long they're going to be. So I have my muck hair straightener, and I actually have my coffee, and I have a coffee as well, because, well, this is me time. And you know what? It gives me an excuse to dress up as well, because we're not going anywhere. So I'm just going to do like not like a rough job, but just a quicker job on straightening my hair, because I've been trying not to put too much heat on it lately. As I said, I'm trying to grow it out. I might even put them in as I go, because no, I normally don't do that. No, I don't do it properly. If I was doing a really quick job, I would straighten or curl my section and then put the hairpiece in and then curl together, or just straighten together. I feel like if you pre-curl your hair and pre-curl the extensions and then pin your hair out and put the extensions in, you can tell your hair cuts off to the extensions. So I'd rather put them all in and then curl it all together, so then you can't tell. My hair's getting quite thick, so I do use a lot of the extensions, especially if you're going to wear your hair straight, because you can definitely tell where it cuts off if you have thicker hair. And if you've had like a fresh haircut and your hair is blunt on the bottom, any wear hair extensions a lot of the time, I'd probably ask if they can probably wisp the ends out a little bit, feather them. Otherwise, if you wear your hair extensions all the time and you don't really know how to style them, oh jeez, you're going to look a bit silly. Oh shit, that's hot. It's so freaking hot. Whew. So I've just switched sides so you can see a little bit better. So I might just clip this up a little bit tighter. Obviously it's a lot harder to do your own hair with no one helping. So just do the best you can. So the battery just died and I'm unaware of where it just cut out. So I'll show you the next piece anyway. So that's the first piece. Another strong point is that you need to make sure that your hair extensions match your hair color. Honestly, there's so many tragedies out there when your hair doesn't match and it like turns out really bad. So do them fairly close, but not too close. Otherwise you're going to start overlapping. Alrighty, put on my head. If you find that piece doesn't fit all the way around and you want it to, you can obviously use two different pieces, put one there and one on the other side. So, got my two pieces here. Just gonna straighten them out. Oh wait, I'm gonna brush them. So if you pre-prepare your hair, that makes sense, yeah. You obviously wash them and straighten them or whatever you want to do because it makes your life so much easier when you're going to put them in. Like me. So I just get my section. Like I said before, normally I would hairspray each section, but like I'm not doing that today. Piece. Right, so back comb, all the way around. You can kind of use whatever comb you want. Obviously don't tease, over tease, because then you're going to have issues getting it out of your hair. My first piece, normally I don't go too close to my hairline, but start here, clip in. Like they're so easy to put in, honestly. Normally I wear like a weft with my weave, but I decided to give my hair a break, so I honestly haven't really been doing too much to my hair. We have a so annoying, well not annoying, but like just a bummer. We have a like a bikini model comp that I entered here in town, and I bought these hair extensions to wear for the comp because I didn't. Holy shit, that's like so long when they're straight. Damn. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Anyway, so I entered like the bikini comp with, I think there's like 12 of us competing, and this coming Saturday. But obviously it's been cancelled due to the virus going around, and honestly we are so lucky where I am. We touch wood. We have not had a case, like a positive case, where I live at the moment, so we're kind of lucky that we live so far out from everything, because it's so, like, I can't even, I just feel so bad for everybody involved and the families that are suffering. Like, I've actually cried about it. It's terrible. I wouldn't wish that upon anybody. So I'm very grateful that it's not out here as of yet, but never be too careful. So we just take precautions. Like I said, I'm not working at the moment, just because it is in the hairdressing industry and we get fly in fly out like minors and stuff, so it's just, to me, it's too risky. Like if I didn't have my son, I probably would have stayed at home, but yeah, it's just too much. It's just too risky. I think these are looking really pretty. I actually don't mind the length. I think they're quite nice. So these are, like I said before, they're 22-inch, so they are quite long. But I definitely normally curl them if I go out. Actually, it doesn't feel that bad without hairspray in there. Like, I thought they might feel a bit maybe looser, not as tight, because the hairspray gives it like that gritty feeling. So I have a few little pieces left. What's that? That's a 2, and then we've got 1, 2, 3 of the ones, like single ones left. Don't you hate it when your hair turns out really pretty and you got nowhere to go? So these are my little mini ones. They're really good for just filling in gaps. So after I put them in, I always part it and I bring my hair forward. And I don't know if you can see, you can probably see in the mirror, but these bits here, I've got 2 pieces left. Obviously, find a gap and just put them in. And then it kind of fills that gap for me. Because you don't want to be like out partying and flick your hair forward and then there's like a massive gap. Like look how much better that looks, honestly. Just gonna run it over it with the straightener. I don't really mind the curl that's in it. Like it's only like just in there, just in the ends. I always straighten the top layers together when I do ever wear my hair straight. Just because you don't want to look ridiculous anyhow. Yay! Once I'm finished with the video, I'm honestly probably gonna go wash them and let them dry. I really want it to look like ratty on the ends, and you pay for the hair, so you might as well look after it, you know. Whoa! So that is actually really long. Down for that length. I actually really like it. Like I might actually wear it this long. Also, I have been, oh my god, my partner's laughing. Just turn the chair around so we can have a proper look. And look how long that is. I think it looks really nice. So that's the application that I would use normally to put my hair extensions in. Although I did say I would put hairspray at the roots before you clip them in, because it honestly makes a massive difference. Like if you've washed your hair the night before like I have and you don't use the hairspray, they could possibly just slip out. So it gives it that bit of like that gritty feeling, makes them stick in a lot better. But yeah, so next time I might do a video of how you can use your clip-ins to do different types of styles. Like you can put them in ponytails, you can do half up, half down. You can use them as like buns, like the length for your pony. I think we're gonna start filming a little bit more, like possibly just what we get up to with Rye, because now he's obviously homeschooled and it's not that hard, but you know, he's 6 years old, he doesn't really want to do homework from home. When he's home he wants to play, so I've set up some like painting and some like things he can do. He can start help to like cook and stuff like that, giving him something to do. Really, it's hard, like it's a hard time at the moment, but hopefully my partner will get in on some of the videos. So give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you want to see some more styles on how you can use your clip-ins, let me know, or give me some ideas of what you'd like to see.